Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to add a personal touch to your home decor, but don't know where to start? Today, we've got you covered with the top 7 DIY projects that are perfect for beginners. These projects are simple, cost-effective, and can easily be completed with items you likely already have at home. Whether you're looking to spruce up your living space or create unique gifts for your loved ones, you'll find something that sparks your creativity. Curious to see how you can transform ordinary items into extraordinary pieces? Let's dive in, and don't skip any parts, because the last DIY project is so simple yet so innovative, you won't believe you didn't think of it sooner. 1. Mason jar herb garden. Mason jars are incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of projects. One of the easiest and most rewarding is creating your own herb garden. Start with a few clean mason jars, some potting soil, and your favorite herb seeds. Fill the jars with the soil, plant the seeds, and place the jars in a sunny spot. Water them regularly, and in no time, you'll have fresh herbs at your fingertips. Not only will this project add a touch of greenery to your kitchen, but it's also a great way to have fresh herbs for cooking anytime you need them. But wait, did you know there's a secret trick to keeping your herbs thriving all year long? We'll share that tip later in the video. 2. Customized coasters. Coasters are a great way to protect your furniture and can also be a fun project to personalize. Start by gathering some plain ceramic tiles, which you can find at any home improvement store. Then decide on the design for your coasters. You can use scrapbook paper, fabric, or even your own photos. Cut your chosen material to fit the tiles and use Mod Podge to adhere and seal it. Finish with a clear acrylic spray to make them waterproof. And if you think this is cool, wait until you see how you can upgrade these coasters with a unique artistic touch in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. 3. Floating bookshelf. A floating bookshelf is a fantastic way to add some modern flair to your walls while keeping your books organized. For this project, you'll need a couple of L brackets, screws, and a wooden board cut to the desired length for your shelf. Paint or stain the board to match your decor, and then use a level to ensure the shelf will be perfectly aligned. Secure the L brackets to the wall, then place the board on top and secure it with screws. Voila! You have a sleek floating bookshelf. But did you know there's a hack to make your floating shelf even more stable and stylish? We'll show you how in just a bit. 4. Decorative throw pillows. Throw pillows can instantly change the look of a room. You don't need to be an expert in sewing to make beautiful decorative pillows. Start with some fabric in the pattern and color of your choice, a pair of scissors, and some fabric glue or a needle and thread. Cut the fabric into squares, leaving an extra inch for seam allowance. Place the fabric with the right sides together and glue or sew 3 of the sides. Turn the pillowcase right side out, stuff it with filling, and close the final side. Now, we've just scratched the surface. There's an insider technique to make these pillows look professionally made, which we'll share later. 5. Picture frame terrarium. Terrariums are a lovely way to bring a bit of the outdoors inside, and a picture frame terrarium is both elegant and easy to make. For this project, gather 4 picture frames of the same size, some strong adhesive, and your choice of small plants or succulents. Remove the backing and glass from each frame. Attach the frames to each other using adhesive to create a box with a missing bottom. Once the adhesive dries, place your plants inside, arranging them as you like. You can even add small stones or decorative pieces for added flair. Imagine creating a mini indoor garden. Think that's cool? Just wait until you discover the unexpected material that can give your terrarium an extra twist. 6. Reclaimed wood coffee table. Reclaimed wood projects have become incredibly popular for their rustic and charming aesthetic. For this DIY coffee table, find some pieces of reclaimed wood, which you can source from old pallets or even local yard sales. You'll also need some wood screws, a drill, and 4 hairpin legs or other types of metal legs. Arrange the planks of reclaimed wood together to form the table's surface and secure them with screws. Attach the legs to the corners and give the table a light sanding for a smooth finish. This project not only results in a beautiful piece of furniture, but also helps in using recycled materials, adding character to your living space. And you won't believe the finishing touch that makes this table look like a high-end designer piece. Stay tuned for this pro tip. 7. Simple Pallet Wine Rack. A pallet wine rack is an excellent addition to your home for both functionality and aesthetics. Start by finding a wooden pallet and cutting it down to the size that fits your space. Sand it down to remove any splinters and give it a smooth finish. You'll need some screws and brackets to secure the wine glasses and bottles in place. Attach a small piece of wood to the bottom to hold the bottles and add a glass holder underneath for hanging your glasses. Ever wondered how to turn this simple rack into a multifunctional piece? We're going to reveal a clever adaptation that will blow your mind. There you have it, our top 7 DIY projects for beginners. These projects are not only straightforward but also incredibly rewarding. They allow you to personalize your space, save money, and unleash your creativity. Whether you're looking to start small with some customized coasters or go big with a reclaimed wood coffee table, there's something here for everyone. Before you rush off to start your projects, don't forget, our final tip will show you an amazing way to use all those scraps left over from your DIY projects. You won't want to miss this. If you enjoyed these DIY projects, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And be sure to check out our next video for more incredible DIY tips and tricks that will elevate your projects to the next level. See you next time.